Hi, good afternoon. How are you all doing? Okay, so today we'll continue with our formula function. In our previous class, I've explained the formula and its function and how it can be used. So we'll continue with the if function. That's what we'll work on today. The if, the sum if, the count if. These are condition formulas. We have condition formulas. So these are formulas that you can make use of. That okay, if so is that, you do this. If so is this, you do that. Are you with me? So that those are formula functions. Okay.
So this is our class. So this is another day. So let me continue from here. This is a student record sheet, and we have students in the class. We have that and that. Now we have this as a question. Part 1, we are asked to create a new column called result. This is the result. But to write a formula that show pass if the student score above 50, that score 50 or above, and fail if the student score below 50. So what is the formula here? Here we don't need to stress ourselves. We're just driving straight to the point. Function which is equals to if open bracket start with your cell reference. So you are referencing to here. Here we don't need to use comma because it's logic. You can use comma, but since it's a simple question, you can easily just go straight to the point. We are greater than 50. Comma, quotation mark, open quotation mark, pass, close quotation mark, comma, if open bracket. You can also continue here or just use comma, then open your quotation mark, put fail, close quotation mark. You see that? This is another method we can use. This one method. We have another method we can also use. Are you with me? We have another method we can also use. So what are the other methods? This is just a very straightforward answer. Very straightforward. We have the fail or pass. Just go straight to the point. If this is this, keep this. If this is this, keep this. If you look at the formula already states that if C3 and C3, you are referencing to that cell. If C3 is greater than 50, pass. If not, fail. Do you understand? Now, if you look at this figure now, this today, if I change this today to 50, to 51, sorry, do you see? It will change. If I change it to 80, it will still remain the same because that 80 is greater than 50. Are you getting me? So that is for that. And you can see now how many students pass the exam. How many students pass the exam? How do we come here? It's equals to, we have our counts. But here, we won't be making use of count because there's condition here. So what we'll do is, it's equals to count if open brackets. You are using count if. And the if here now, is giving you a condition. The if function is giving you a condition. These are conditional formulas. You understand? The if function is a conditional formula. So now you said if this cell open comma, open quotation mark, you said pass. Close it back. Sorry, I did not pick the range. You have to choose the range, which is the range that is from D3 to D12. Are you with me? D3 to D12. We have 7 students. 7 students pass the exam. Now, how many students fail? How many students fail? You can actually copy your formula here, paste it, then come to fail. First of all, change this to D3 and D12. Change your condition. We have fail. 3 students fail the exam. Now look at me. This is 67, right? If I change this to 22, do you see everything change? both the pass and the fail. If I change this to 12, still remain the same, right? If I change this to 45, do you see changes? So that is for you to understand that Excel is automated. You can use it for an automation. Are you with me? You can use it for an automation. So that is for that. We have how many students failed the exam? We've done that. Count the total number of students that took the exam. How many students participate in the exam? We have our count formula, which is what is equals to count. Here we use count A. Are you with me? We use count A because the count formula, the count function is only used to count numbers, but the count A can count the range, the cells that are not empty. Are you with me? So if a student is included, or let me say a student name is listed in the cell, it will mark that it will count that cell. So any cell that is not empty, it will count. Are you with me? Open bracket, what we have from B3 to B12, we have 10 students. We have total number of 10 students. You see that? So that is for that. Now we have, let's go down to our part 2, which is our sales data. The sales data. Sales data. Now if you look at your question, question 6 said create a new cell, a new column called total sales by calculating the quality unit price. Giving you this already make you understand that okay, this is what you're supposed to do. Are you with me? So alright, let's go straight. We have, this is a sales record. Yalagbaja that is selling, let's say biscuits and all of that. So create a new column called total sales by calculating the quantity and the unit sales. So we have to calculate for here. These are total sales. How do you calculate our total sales? It's already given here. We have your quantity multiplied by the unit price. That is a book. I have 10 books and I sold each of these books 500 naira. What is the total sales? Which is equals to what? We have our B3. Sorry. We have our products. B3, comma C3. That is for that. And we'll copy the formula for each of the cell. So we have everything is calculated. We have for blessing, can you see? B7, comma C7. That is for that. We'll continue. We have question 7, which find the total quantity of books sold, which is what is equals to sum if open bracket what? We have the cell range, which is the cell range, comma, what is the criteria? The criteria we are looking for. We have what? We have the pen, comma, where are we looking for? Where are we calculating? What are we calculating? This is it. We have 27 pen, so we have 10 here, we have 12. Can you see that? So how many books? What's the total quantity of books sold? It's equals to what? Sum if open bracket what? We have the cell range, we have your comma, open quotation mark, we have what? Book, close it back, we have your comma, that's the continuation. Now where are we looking for? What is the range that we want to calculate? This is what we are calculating. That calculates the quantity. Are you with me? Calculate the quantity. Now we have question number 9. Count how many times pen appear in the sales table. This is count, which is equals to what? Count if open bracket what? We have your cell. What's the criteria we are using? We have the pen. So pen appear 4 times. How many sales have quantity greater than 8? How many sales have quantity greater than 8? Which is what we are still counting. It's supposed to count if open bracket what? We have our cell, comma, greater than 8. Are you with me? Oh, you have to use your quotation mark because you are closing it so that you can reference it. We have 4. Let me change this to 9. Can you see that? Can you see? So for you to understand. So bag. Why the total sales amount for bag only? What's total sales amount for bag only? Sales amount. We are talking about amount here. We are talking of amount here, and not the quantity. This is equals to what? Sum if open bracket what? We have our range, comma, open quotation mark. We have a what? We have the bag. We have the bag, close quotation mark, comma. Now, where's the range we are looking for? This is the range. They say what? Total sales. And these are total sales. Yeah? So we have our value. And press your enter. Now, can someone tell me, if you look at this, you see it's showing dash because of what? No sale here. If you look at your product here, we have already changed some of those products. Now, if I come here, if I choose bag, do you see? If I come here, I choose bag. Do you see that? So that is that for you. So you should understand that Excel is very smart. Very smart. So when you're working, you have to be careful. Check your formula. Check the reference cell. What are you referencing? Be sure you are referencing the right cell. Be sure you are referencing the right cell. Are you with me? Now, the last question we have: count how many products have unit price greater than 1,000. Unit price greater than 1,000. Okay, we have this equals to count if open bracket what? This is the cell, unit price. We have comma, open quotation mark. Now we are using greater than 1,000 as our condition. So we have 5. That is total of 5. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. If I change this to 8,000, you see that we have total of 5. So that is for that. Thank you once again. If you have any question, do well to reach out to me. You can simply message me. So thank you once again for today's class. I really appreciate it.